Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you guys my everyday go-to makeup. So this is going to be something really soft that I just do whenever I'm going to work or just going out and I don't have anything specific in mind. So yep, if you're interested, keep watching. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment at the end of this video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I'm just going to start out by toning my face using the Heritage Store Rose Water and Vinegar. And then I'm going to go in and moisturize my face using my favorite moisturizer, the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I've been using this for a very long time now and I love it. It lasts so long and it's very moisturizing. So next I'm just going to be priming using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm going to be placing this in my T-zone and then just spreading it out across the rest of my face. I'm going to be going in with my favorite foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and it's in the shade Caramel. And I'm going to be blending that out using my Sigma F88 flat angled kabuki brush. I would usually use my F84 angled kabuki brush, but since that one was dirty, I had to settle for the next best. And I really do love both of these brushes. I just love the finish that the F84 gives me better. Now for concealer, I'm going to be taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. And I'm going to be concealing underneath my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and of course down the bridge of my nose. And y'all, this concealer is holy grail. It's $30, but it lasts such a long time. And my makeup is always flawless when I use it, so I would highly recommend it. So next, I'm going to be contouring using my Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Nutmeg. And this is just a super light contour shade. Since I'm just doing everyday makeup, I don't really want super harsh details on my face. So I'm just going to opt for this lighter color opposed to my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. And I'm going to be blending out my concealer using a damp beauty blender, and then I'm going to blend out that contour using that Sigma F88 kabuki brush. Now just to set everything in place, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder in my damp beauty blender and dabbing that underneath my eyes. And this is going to make sure that I get no creasing and nothing moves around throughout the day. And then I'm going to be taking my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder with my Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm going to be patting that all over my face to set the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I'm just going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber and buffing that in using my Real Techniques contour brush. And this is just going to add some definition and color into my face where all of the foundation and concealer removed it. And then I'm going to go in with that same bronzer on a Real Techniques color correcting brush, and I'm just going to carve out my nose contour a little bit. Now to further contour my nose, I like to take translucent powder on a damp beauty blender and just carve out the sides of my nose as well as the bridge of my nose. Now moving on to my brows, I'm going to be filling them in using the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 5. And I do have an in-depth tutorial on how I fill my brows in. If you guys would like to see that video, I will have a link down below in the description box. Now to clean up my brows, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige and my flat concealer brush by e.l.f. And I'm just going to be cleaning up the bottoms of my brows. I'm not going to do the top because I usually only do the top when I want to do a full glam look. Then I'm going to clean up all that concealer under my eyes just by blending it in with that damp beauty blender one more time. So I always set my brows in place using the Gimme Brow by Benefit in 4.5, and then I like to go in with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray to set my face. And while that's still kind of wet, I take the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter and I go ahead and highlight my face. And the reason I like to do this while it's still wet is because you don't have to work so hard to build up the pigment and you don't have to use so much product. So finally we're on to the eyes, and I don't do much to the eyes when I just do everyday makeup. I'm just going to take that same bronzer that I use to bronze my face and pop that into the crease just for a little wash of color. Then I'm going to take the NYX Matte Liquid Liner and I'm going to give myself a small wing. Next, I'll just go in with some mascara, and this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm going to pop on my lashes, which are the Ardell Natural Lashes, and I really like these because they give the impression of natural lashes just with a bunch of mascara on them. And last but not least, I like to put on a gloss, and my favorite gloss is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Cinnamon Roll. And this is my completed everyday go-to makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a like and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.